Good morning, students. My name is S. Sethalakshmi. I'm going to handle fifth science from this term onwards. This is your third term. First lesson is our environment. First, by the topic our environment, we should know what is environment. Environment is everything that is around us. What are all the things around us? What are all the things around us? Everything that is solid, liquid, gas, everything living and non-living things, including in the environment. So the first line itself, introduction. Environment is everything that is around us. There are two types of environment. One is there are physical environment and biological environment. Physical and biological environment. So what is environment? Environment is everything that is around us. There are two types of environment. One is physical environment and another one is biological environment. That includes that includes all non-living things like land, water, air, and biological environment includes the living things such as plants and animals. Natural environment has lot of economic values. Plants and animals in our environment are useful to us in number of ways. Animals like cow, buffalo and goat gives us milk. Some animals are used for transportation. These animals are raised in forms, increased in forms. How they will be increased? By reproduction. In this lesson, we will learn about dairy farms, poultry farms, apiculture, manure, and vermicompost. Dairy farms, dairy milk. You know very well about dairy milk chocolate. So dairy means milk giving animals. Poultry farms, the animals which are breeding for their flesh and all. Apiculture, honeybee, manures and vermicompost we are going to see in this lesson. So in this paragraph what we have studied, what is environment and two types of environment and plants and animals in our environment, how they are useful. Some animals used for transportation and what is the farms and apiculture we are going to study in this. First one is farms. Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. Growing crops. Farming is activity of growing crops. Farmer. Whom we will set farmer? The agriculture, in the agriculture field they will be work and yield much crops are called as farmers. So farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. It is a part of agriculture. Farming is a part of agriculture. Agriculture is the cultivation of land, breeding of animals. What is agriculture? Is the cultivation of land. நிலத்தை உழறது. Breeding of animals. Breeding of animals will goes on increase in number by giving their birth to young ones, குட்டி போட்டுட்டு. And plants to provide food, fiber, woods and medicinal plants to sustain and enhance life. What the plants are giving? Plants giving us food, fiber, wood and medicinal plants to live and enhance life. But farming is more profitable than agriculture. So it is done on commercial scale. Farming வந்து நிறைய ப்ராஃபிட்டபுளாக இருக்கிறதுனால கமர்ஷியல் வியாபார அடிப்படையில் செய்கிறாங்க. An area of land with the fields and buildings that is devoted primarily to growing crops or raising domestic animals or both as a business is called farm. What is a farm? On commercial scale, area of lands with the fields and buildings are given or used to grow crops or to grow the domestic animals or both as business, either the greens or the animals or both. If you grow the crops and as well as the animals, or you take it as a business, these are all called as farm. Large scale farms grow one or two major crops or animals. Large scale பெரிய அளவில் middle sized and small sized farms grow different types of crops and animals. சின்ன அளவில் இல்லை நடுவில் பார்த்தோன்னா கொஞ்சம் ஃபார்ம்ஸை க்ரோ பண்ணுவாங்க, டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் அனிமல்ஸையும் க்ரோ பண்ணுவாங்க. Dairy farm. Already I said dairy milk. DAIRY. The spelling is so much important. Usually we will confuse with the diary what we are writing, school diary, and the dairy. This dairy is denoted for an milk. Dairy farming is a type of agriculture that focuses on extraction of milk and preparation of various milk product like cheese, butter, curd, etc. See, all these eatables are very much liked by you people, that is children. High milk producing cows. Where from you are getting milk? Yes, not from the milk powder I am saying. Milk from cow. Cow gives us milk. Along with the bulls, not only cow, along with that we'll get milk from bulls and oxen or raised in. Along with the milk is given by cow. Along with the cow, bulls and oxen are raised, increased in number, commercial dairy farms. Other animals found in these farms include goat, sheep, and camels. Cattle breeds. Before that, we will see this do you know on activity. District livestock farm in Hosur, Krishnagiri district of Tamil Nadu is the biggest cattle farm in Asia. Total area of this farm is 1641 acres. See, this is a farm where we are raising the number of animals, that too especially the milk giving animals, cow, bull, oxen, goat, sheep, and camels. This type of farming is called as dairy format. Visit an animal farm in your area and prepare a list of animals domesticated there. Also find the products you can get from there. The product which you can get from milk, you can easily say what you are eating. Curd, ghee, butter, cheese. These are all the products we are getting from the milk. Cattle breeds. In India, there are 26 cattle breeds. Different types of cattle also we can say. They are domesticated for milk. These cattle are raising or farming for milk and agriculture work. Many animals are used for transportation. Nowadays, we are not using animals for transportation. And many other needs, Gir, Shahiwal, Red Sindhi, Kangeyam, Ongol are some of the cattle breeds found in India. Cattle breeds found in different states of India are given in the table. See, in this table you are able to see the animals, isn't it? First one is Gir, second one is Malvi, third one Nagari, fourth one Shahiwal, fifth one Red Sindhi, sixth one Ongol. These are all the types of breeds you can see in that. Then cattle breed in different states given in the tabular column. That is Gir, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Shahiwal, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Red Sindhi, Andhra Pradesh, Malvi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Nagari, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Kangeyam, Tamil Nadu, Ongoli, Andhra Pradesh. These are all the different types of cattle breeds at different states. Some of the cattle breeds found in Tamil Nadu are given below. Kangeyam Kalai. You may be heard this word. Kangeyam Kalai. Bargur. Ambalaki. Pulikulam. With the help of your parents, find out the districts where they are found. Just find it where it is forming, where it is found. India has the largest number of livestock in the world, holding 281 million. In 2008, our host the second largest number of cattle in the world with 175 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 175 10 lakhs is the second largest number of cattle in the world. Apart from these animals, buffaloes are also domesticated in India. There are 7 buffalo breeds in India. Buffalo produce more amount of milk than cows. Also, buffalo milk has more nutrients than cow's milk. Murray, Jafrabadi, Badavari, and Surti are the buffalo breeds that are found in India. India is the biggest buffalo milk producer in the world. Some of the buffalo breeds found in our country are in the table. See Jafrabadi, Surti, Nagpuri, Murray, Badwari, Meshna. These are all the different types of buffalo. Then we will see the feeding and uses in the next class. Till now, what we had seen, what is environment, 2 types of environment, and what are the things we are going to study in this farms, poultry farms, apiculture. In the farms, what are all the different animals used for farming? First, we have seen the dairy farm. In the dairy farm, how many cattle breeds in different states of cattle? What are all the different types of cattle breeds in different states? And we have seen about an buffalo.